So the first thing I like to do is just pin my hair back or something. My friend got me this as a present. It's like a little headband type thing. So I use this because it's what it was made for, but don't judge me. It's a cat. Yeah. I'm gonna just turn it this way so it's less of a distraction for y'all. Bam. First step complete. And so the second thing that I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna use this Peach Punch Sweet Foam Cleanser by TonyMoly. I got this at Ulta, maybe? But you can find it on Amazon, and if not, I will link it. So yeah. So I'm gonna start off with that. If you guys hear water, it's not because I'm wasting water, it's because my sink will not drain. So I'm gonna get the skin nice and wet. Then I take a little, what do you say, like a penny, dime sized amount. Then I start off with the forehead. Work my way around. Then I like to dry off the excess. Then from there, I like to start with this is really light. It's like a vitamin C cleanser. So it's like I double cleanse my skin. And the important thing about this is that since it's vitamin C, it's really good for the sun. So when you're in the summer months and you're out most of the time, then this will help you like get a more even tan. And then say you forget to wear sunscreen for a day, then this will help your skin so it doesn't gain as much damage. And it's also a wrinkle line defying face wash, but I don't really need that right now, but it'll come in handy when I get older. So yeah. Oh, this brand, Hansen, is actually all vegan, all natural, and yeah, everything here is organic, which I like. So the next thing I'm gonna do is put that on my face. So I take like the smallest amount because her stuff, the person who makes this, it's like very potent almost, because you don't really need a lot of it, but that's the job. So I like to go around my forehead because your forehead actually retains the most sunlight because, you know, it's closest to the sun on your body. So I like to dry every part of my face now except for my nose area. And the reason for this is because I'm going to be going in with a nose scrub type thing. It's also by TonyMoly. I think it was like $8 maybe on Amazon. And yeah, it's like really cute. You see it? It was really cute, so had to get it. You know, it's a necessity. I'm kidding, it was a want. But, you know, I just went for it. If you guys see me looking over here, it's because I have a mirror over here, so precise placing and everything, but yeah. So I like to rub this all around because it exfoliates, but then it also gets rid of all of the blackheads. And, you know, who wants blackheads? They kind of are just like gucky and gross. And while they are like fun to like squeeze and, you know, get all that stuff out, that actually really isn't good for your skin because it ruins the pores elasticity. And after that, I'll let it sit for like 30 seconds. maybe. And then after that, I'm just gonna rinse my nose, but this thing, it's like thick. It's a thick, like almost pasty consistency. So then you're gonna just really like work it into your nose, and it's gonna like almost like reduce the visibility of the pores, and then it's also going to get rid of the blackheads and stuff, if that makes any sense, which I'm hoping it does. That is all for cleansers and nose stuff. And now I'm going to be going in with a vitamin C serum, also by Hansen, because I just really like this brand. It's like not caused me to break out any more than I already am, and it's really just helped evening out my complexion and giving me like the protection that I've wanted. Like sometimes I'll forget to go outside and wear sunscreen, and if you don't wear sunscreen, it's very important. You probably should. And yeah, I use this and it helps. And the thing about this, when I first started using it, it actually had a bit of like a tingling sensation, and later on I figured out that it was like attacking all of the dry spots on my face, and now all of those spots are like really smooth and like, I have no other word but like velvety almost, but they're very like nice now. And yeah, this is what really helped me with my dry patches, because my skin is combination, I think. Like it gets oily, but then it's also dry in some places. So I think that's combination. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, so I like to use this. I took about like 4 drops onto my hand, and then this is how much it is. Take that all over my face. Okay, this is my last step, and this is what kind of just seals everything in. So I'm gonna take a little cotton round, and then I'm gonna take another vitamin C toner, because yeah, this brand, just really like it. All about that vitamin C stuff. But I may switch up brands soon, because, you know, just want to try other stuff out, see how it works with my skin, see if there's anything better. So I like to take like maybe 3 squirts of the toner, and then I'll saturate the pad, and then I'll just go in on my skin, starting from the forehead, working my way down. If you can like buy any product in this entire thing, I would say get the toner, because toner is actually very important. It's what gives your pores that like nice finish. Like it'll tighten them. It's supposed to tighten your pores after like a shower, because you're supposed to use this after a shower. I did just take a shower today, so like, anyways, you use this after your skincare routine to seal all of the products in, and it's supposed to be really good. And yeah, I'm sorry if I like look like an idiot during this video or I'm not making sense, but this is what I do. And then we are done. This was the video. Hello. So I actually forgot to put on moisturizer, which is honestly the most important step. So I'm gonna do that now. I use the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant with your cocoa butter. And the reason that if you have oily skin or combination skin, and you still find that your skin's being like oily after you've done like all of your steps, then it's probably because you're not using a moisturizer after. Because what a moisturizer will do is that it will basically stop your skin from overproducing oil, because if you're cleansing all of the oil out of your skin still needs that oil. So what it's going to do is it's going to overproduce to compensate for the lack of oil that it has in its skin, and then you'll have even oilier skin than before. So that's why you want to use a moisturizer. So I'm going to do that now. And yeah, under the eyes. I don't know, man. That's all I have for this video. If you liked this kind of video and you want to see more like this, or you have any ideas for future videos that I could do, then please like and subscribe, comment down below, and if you have a favorite skincare product that you think would work for me or work for other people, please comment what it is down below and what it does and how it worked for you. So with that being said, I'ma go. Bye.